Hi everybody, I was on my way home and I thought I would stop here at Windsor School. I kind of like the architecture of these old schools. I'll give you more about that down below. But the other thing that caught my attention was there's a couple of phenomenal little playgrounds that are here, so I'll get a picture of those. And then along the fence line here, there are some Indigenous teaching information as well, some little murals, and I'll get pictures of those and share those with you. So when I was here the other day, or passed here the other day, I noticed kids climbing on these snow hills, but it looks like there's actually an outdoor auditorium being built up here with rows of benches, and they're all facing this direction. Very cool. And between the school grounds and the Canoe Club golf course, there's this little woodland that's here as well. All kinds of stuff that I didn't see when I was here to the community center before. Have a wonderful day. Bye.